Ken Payne, Island Carpet Tile and Hardwoods. You know, we have a saying around here. Every home is different, every job is custom. Well, that also means that every floor is different too, and it's our job to find out what are the floors that are already in your house. Not just the surface finishes, but the subfloors. Subfloors are so important. Are they concrete? Are they plywood? Are they particle board? Are they epoxy? Particularly if they're epoxy and they're in a basement, it limits what we're able to do in terms of preparing that floor, for example, for a glue-down vinyl product. Understanding what you have as a substrate is almost a first step to really understanding what kinds of products we should be looking for, regardless of what you think you might want and regardless of what you think might work. So that's part of the journey that we take you on when you come and visit us at Island Carpet Tile and Hardwoods.